SOLIDWORKS empowers you to design your dreams faster than anyone else. But what about the rest of your product development process? Introducing SOLIDWORKS Ultimate, a foundational set of connected, cloud-based tools for users like you, whose job certainly goes beyond design. SOLIDWORKS Ultimate gives you freedom to move between tasks and projects across your process, so you can be ready for whatever today brings or tomorrow requires. Create and detail your parts, assemblies, and drawings with SOLIDWORKS CAD, the market-leading industry standard that's trusted by millions of users for extensive capabilities and ease of use, and designed from anywhere on any device, with browser-based SOLIDWORKS apps that provide streaming parametric modeling, freeform surface sculpting, and specialty modeling tools. Perform the most common validation studies, including kinematic and dynamic analyses, linear static stress, modal frequency, and thermal. Reduce prototyping and optimize your designs earlier in your process. Connect ideas and information so all stakeholders are informed and active. Improve outcomes with collaboration and business productivity tools like project planning and virtual meeting boards that get everyone involved. Do you need your data to be secure, current, and available from anywhere? Store and manage your valuable engineering IP, creating a single source of design truth, from concept to bill of material to release to change. Showcase your work, delight your customers, and win more business with lifelike photo renderings, vivid technical illustrations, and interactive virtual experiences. Check for additive and subtractive manufacturability, then create and validate CNC programs with operations like 3-axis milling, wire EDM, and 2D nesting and cutting. Your job is more than design. Unify your data and tools on a single cloud-based platform and be ready for whatever today brings or tomorrow requires. Accelerate all phases of your entire product development process with SOLIDWORKS Ultimate.